So we're going to go through these problems and solve them, and we're also going to round. So we're going to be rounding to 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places, and 3 decimal places. So first thing to do is to rewrite these problems into a format where we can actually work out the final solution. So let's get on with that. So it should be 819.4, and it needs to be divided by 4. Okay, I'm also going to add on a couple of extra zeros just in case I need them. Okay, let's start. So 4 into 8, that goes twice. There's none left over. 4 into 1, that's 0, and we'll carry the 1 over here. 4 into 19, well, that's 4, and that gives us 3 left over. I'm up to the decimal point now, so put the decimal point into the answer. 4 into 34, well, that's 8, with 2 left over, and 4 into 20 goes 5. Now, it stops there because there's none left. However, I'm supposed to round it to 1 decimal place. So here is the first decimal place. So I can stop right there in terms of how many digits I'm going to have in my answer. But I need to look to the next place value on the right. In this case, that's my indicator number. Now, if the indicator number is between 0 and 4, it's considered a small number in the sense that the digit in question, so in this case in the first decimal place, no change. It stays as it is. If it's from 5 to 9, we would consider that big, and in that case, we'll be rounding up. So here's how it works. We're dealing with the digit in the first decimal place, which is this 8. It's either going to stay, in other words, no change, or it's going to be rounded up to 9. What tells us that? This digit. This is our indicator digit. So it's a 5, so it's big, which means this 8 must get rounded up. It gets rounded up to 9. So when I write the final answer looks like this. 204, okay, point, not 8, it's got to be rounded up. So 0.9, and that would be the final answer. For the second one, let's try that. 642.18. Put in there another couple of zeros just in case I need them. Divided by 5. Right. 5 into 6 goes 1 with 1 left over, right? 5 into 14, that goes twice with 4 left over. 5 into 42, that's 8 with 2 left over. Right. I'm up to the decimal point. Put a decimal point. 5 into 21 goes 4 and 1 left over. 5 into 18, that goes 3 times, and 3 left over. 5 into 30 goes 6, and it's finished. Okay, that's actually quite convenient. I need 2 decimal places, so there's the cutoff. Here is my indicator number. It's big, which means my target number, the second decimal place, which is here, that tells me this has to be rounded up. So that's going to be rounded up to 4. So final answer is 128.44, and that is the final answer. And for the last one, let's go with 739.36. Put another couple of zeros on the end. Probably going to need them. And 4. Right. 4 into 7 goes once, and there are 3 left over. 4 into 33 is 8. Again, 1 left over. 4 into 19 is 4, and we have 3 left over. Okay, we're up to the decimal point. Put the decimal point in. 4 into 33, so that's 8, and I get 1 left over. And 4 into 16 goes 4, and none left over. Okay, but I need 3 decimal places, so let's put a 0 there. So the final answer looks like this. 184.840. Put a box around the final answer. Done.